back to my channel. Today it is a super gloomy day, raining. It's supposed to actually rain all weekend, so I figured I could go ahead and get some of this cleaning done because most likely I'm gonna probably just relax and chill with my family for the weekend. Cleaning's the last thing I'll be thinking about. Mondays is usually my deep cleaning days anyways, to kind of recover from the weekend mess. So I do need to tackle my bathrooms. Kids, my 1-year-old banging on who knows what up there. But I need to tackle my bathrooms, throw a load of laundry in because my 1-year-old likes to take his diaper off, and he peed all over his crib. So all of his bedding needs to be washed. They have a basket full of clothes anyways that needs to be washed. And I'll do some of these dishes, not many, thank God, woo! Only bottles and just leftover from last night. I made mastacholi, so just clean up that stuff. And that's probably about it. I'm gonna probably chillax and relax the rest of the day. So I hope you guys do like this video. Hit that subscribe button. We'll give this video a thumbs up. Look at him in the bathroom. What are you doing? Are you gonna help mommy clean? You gonna help me clean? He likes the sweet. All right, guys, let's get into this video.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Something else is on your mind, like everything that's good in life always comes to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend, and I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's so hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name and you say, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Oh, Gloria, please don't cry for me. Yeah. I can hurt you like you hurt me too. Then we make love when we
to let you know that I am going to be spraying down my tub walls with the Method Daily Shower Cleaner. I absolutely love this stuff. It cleans so good, especially my shower. I use it on my shower maybe once a week, and it gets it so clean.
As every ocean come as rain, I know my circles, I know my name. Another sequel.
5. What do you have to eat, Tank? You eating french fries and nuggets too? Is it good? So we took a break from cleaning so we can have some lunch. Not the healthiest, but we was hungry, huh? Can you say hi, YouTube?
Hi, YouTube. I know my circles, I know my name. Another sequel is on the way. Oh, my love, reform and rise to be so free. In time we seize infinity. Growing love. Hello, my borders.
I'm using my favorite stuff again, that Method Lime and Sea Salt. This stuff seriously gets almost anything off. I don't know what was caked on this shelf, who knows, with my 1-year-old, but it came right off using the Method. I seriously just love this stuff. Now I light my candle to make my cleaning complete. I feel like my house is not complete and clean until I light a candle, and this scent smells amazing.
When the rest of me is down, you enchant me even when you're not around.
How happy is my baby boy? He's always in such a good mood when I'm cleaning. I think I entertain him by cleaning the house. I got so much done today for it being a rainy and gloomy day. I hope you guys did find some motivation in this video. If you did and you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed and you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can go ahead and be posted when my new videos come. All right, thanks guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.